let's take on a little hypothetical here. Let's say you want to make more money in your healthcare practice. So maybe you're an acupuncturist like me, or you have some other kind of health coaching or health practice. You're self-employed, you see clients, you see patients every day, and you want to make more money. So what do? Seems like you've got two options. You can either raise your prices, which, nobody wants to raise prices, right? We're trying to help people. Or you could see more people. Now, it's great to see more people because we love doing what we do and we get more hands-on people, and that's great. But that can lead to burnout. And if you're already maxed out on your schedule, then that's not really a great solution. So raising prices and seeing more people is not really the optimal way to make more money in your business. So there's a third option, and this is my favorite one, and that is to leverage your knowledge to diversify your income streams. Now, what do I mean by that? You have this thing that is sitting all alone screaming at you, and it's called your business website. And you can use your business website to package your knowledge, so your expertise, into something that we call like an ebook or a lead magnet or something like that. And people can opt in, or they can purchase that depending on whether you make it free or have a price for it. So there's different ways to do this. And you can either for free build your email list, or you can sell it and you're building your customer list. Now, the nice thing about having this on your website is that people from anywhere in the world can access it as long as they have internet, right? So you're no longer limited to your local population of people. Those are the ones that come in for your hands-on in clinic one-on-one treatments. Now you have the ability to reach many more people. And if they've raised their hand and they've opted in and received your free ebook that's on a topic that they're interested in, then as people, more and more people are downloading this free thing, say it's on Chinese medicine helping with the immune system, or say it's Chinese medicine helping with fibromyalgia, or acupuncture and Chinese medicine, how you help people with infertility. So those people are saying, you know what, I'm interested in this. And now you're able to take that information and go, okay, I'm going to create a little class on this, and then you can promote it. And that's a way that you can teach a class to many people, again, who are not limited to your local area, although some certainly will be in your local area. And those people will want to seek you out and come in and see you because you are now showing up as an expert. So you can sell the class, and that's a way that you can leverage your knowledge and earn money, increase income, and do it in a way that your website is working for you 24/7. So this is what we call digital marketing. It's a way to get yourself out there, and when you're sleeping, your website's still working for you. And that's a way that you can increase your income without raising your prices or without needing to see more clients or patients. So let me know if you have any questions about that. Just leave them in the comments below, and I'd be happy to help you get started with leveraging your knowledge and increasing your income.